Fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now.
Just installed the Ghost immobiliser to this Range Rover SVR. I'm just going to show you how it works. So, if I've got the key here, just try and start the car with the pedal down, just won't start. So in order to start the car, start the ignition, put in your 4-digit code that I've programmed for the customer. We're going to change it. People tend to pick sort of 4, 6 digits, but you can have anything that's 20 digits long. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get 2 indications from the dashboard. Brake, pedal down, press the start button, and away we go.
Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, yeah, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up on the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going, cause I know you